Recording smooth, high-quality footage from the air can be tricky, especially if your drone isn't stable or the camera just isn't up to the job. Too often, people end up with shaky or blurry videos that ruin the entire effort. Luckily, there are now budget-friendly models that deliver solid performance and 4K recording without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best 4K camera drones available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these drones, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the DJI Neo drone, a compact and lightweight option that really stands out for what it can do. This little drone weighs just 4.8 ounces and is classified as Category 0, which means you can fly it freely, no licenses or tests needed. It's perfect for people who just want to enjoy flying without all the hassle. Plus, it's approved for A1 and A3 flight categories, so it works well in most outdoor spaces, even where drones are usually limited. What really makes the DJI Neo shine is its 4K Ultra HD camera with advanced stabilization. Even when the wind picks up or the drone is moving, your footage stays sharp and steady. It's great for smooth, cinematic shots whether you're out with friends, recording a vlog, or just exploring a new spot. One of the coolest features is its automatic tracking. You can lock onto a person or object, and the drone follows it around. Super handy for action shots. It also comes with 8 quick shot modes, which let you create professional-looking clips without editing. And here's a bonus. It can take off and land from your hand. No remote needed. You can even control it using voice commands either in English or Chinese, through the app or with a physical controller. Whatever feels easiest. Safety's covered too, with built-in propeller guards, making it safer for indoor use or tight areas. That's great for beginners or anyone who wants something easy to fly. It comes fully equipped, so you can start flying right away, no extra gear needed. With its mix of portability, simplicity, and video quality, the DJI Neo makes it easy to turn any moment into something amazing. Next up, we have the POTENSIC Atom SE drone, a lightweight but powerful option packed with features that make flying and filming super easy. This compact drone records true 4K video at 30 frames per second, using a 12-megapixel sensor and built-in tech that reduces vibrations. The result? Smoother, clearer shots, even when the drone is in motion. You can also adjust the camera angle from 20 degrees up to 90 degrees down, which gives you more freedom to shoot from creative perspectives. It includes 2 smart batteries, each offering up to 31 minutes of flight time, so you get a total of 62 minutes in the air. That's plenty for long shoots or uninterrupted exploring. Weighing just 8.8 ounces, the Atom SE is foldable and super easy to carry around. Because of its weight, it's also exempt from certain drone regulations, making it more beginner-friendly. The Surgefly control system adds a smart touch with 3 different modes: a video mode for smooth filming, a standard mode for regular flying, and a sport mode that can hit 36 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. It also offers signal transmission up to 2.5 miles, staying strong and stable even around obstacles. And with built-in GPS, it can automatically return home if the battery runs low or if it loses connection. Another great feature is optical positioning, which helps keep the drone steady when flying indoors or in areas without GPS. That means more control and safer flights, no matter where you are. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, portable, and delivers high-quality video, the POTENSIC Atom SE is a solid all-around choice. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the DJI Mini 3 drone, a compact yet impressively powerful choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. This drone shoots in 4K resolution with high dynamic range, meaning your videos will look crisp, colorful, and full of detail, even in scenes with bright light or deep shadows. It's a great pick for travel, nature, or just capturing life from above with a more professional touch. One of its best features is the 38-minute flight time per battery, giving you plenty of time to fly and record without rushing. This makes it perfect for exploring larger areas or filming multiple takes without needing to recharge too often. Weighing under 8.8 ounces, the Mini 3 is ultra-light and doesn't require a license to fly in many countries, making it super convenient and beginner-friendly. Plus, it supports vertical video recording, so you can shoot ready-to-post clips for social media without needing to crop or edit later. Its design is another win, foldable, compact, and easy to carry. It fits into almost any backpack, making it ideal for creators on the move who don't want to haul around bulky gear. And despite its small size, it's very stable in the air, even in winds up to 24 miles per hour, so you don't have to worry much about the weather. The included DJI RC controller features a 5.5-inch built-in screen that stays clear even in direct sunlight. With the DJI Fly app pre-installed, setting up and flying is simple and smooth. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 is a perfect balance of portability, image quality, and ease of use, making it a top choice for both content creators and beginners alike. Now let's move on to the AMETA S20 LITE drone, a small but powerful quadcopter that delivers impressive 4K video quality with its Sony 12-megapixel sensor, perfect for capturing sharp and detailed footage from the sky. One of its biggest highlights is the real-time video transmission over 5G, which gives you smooth live viewing from the controller with barely any lag. This makes flying feel more immersive and in the moment, especially when you're exploring new places or filming creative shots. It comes with 2 smart batteries offering up to 36 minutes of total flight time, which is plenty for longer sessions without needing to stop and recharge constantly. And since it weighs under 8.8 ounces and has a Class 0 rating, you can fly it legally in many countries without needing a license. A great perk for beginners or casual users. The brushless motors are another plus. They run quieter, last longer, and provide better stability, especially when it's windy or when the person flying doesn't have a lot of experience. Despite being light, its sturdy build makes it easy to pack in a backpack and take on the go. Flying the AMETA S20 LITE is also very beginner-friendly. It has smart features like one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it easier to control even if it's your first time flying a drone. And if you ever lose track of it, there's a built-in sound locator so you can quickly find it if it drifts too far or loses connection. Overall, the S20 LITE is a solid choice for anyone just getting started, offering high-quality footage, easy handling, and excellent value without the hassle. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the DJI Flip drone, a compact and powerful device designed to help you capture stunning aerial footage with ease. This drone is equipped with a large 1 1/3-inch image sensor, which lets in more light and delivers sharp, clear photos and videos even in low light settings. Whether you're filming at sunrise, sunset, or in shaded areas, you'll get rich detail and vibrant results. It records in 4K at 60 frames per second and supports HDR technology, giving your videos bright, colorful visuals with a cinematic touch. It's a great companion for travel, outdoor adventures, or simply recording everyday moments from a fresh perspective. Weighing less than 8.8 ounces, it falls under Category 0, meaning you don't need a license or registration to fly it in most places. That makes it super convenient for creators who are always on the move. One of its standout features is smart tracking, which allows the drone to follow you automatically. Whether you're walking, running, or biking, it keeps you in frame. No extra help needed. You'll get up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, so there's plenty of opportunity to capture everything you need in one session. For added safety, it comes with lightweight carbon fiber propeller guards, perfect for flying near people or tight spaces. The package includes a bright screen remote controller, 3 batteries, a multi-battery charger, and a bunch of other useful accessories. Everything you need to get started right away. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use, lightweight, and capable of producing professional-looking footage, the DJI Flip is a fantastic choice. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect 4K camera drone, or if there's another 4K camera drone you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.